Click here for the Report module. Let's explore the Report module. The top area is for adding pages, editing templates, and view-related functions. The control panel contains print options, image and text controls, and tools. Change the tabs at the bottom of the control panel. You can view a list of saved report documents. Change the documentation template. Click the Change Layout button. Select the template you want to change and click the OK button. It changes to the selected template. How to set up the report page. Click the plus button at the top to add a page. You can add up to 10 pages in total. Right-click the page you want to delete and click Delete Page. Click the OK button to delete the selected page. You can change the paper size in the combo box that appears. Click the Settings icon on the right to launch the Page Settings dialog. In the Page Settings dialog, you can set the paper size, orientation, and margins. How to manipulate the image box. In the Control panel, click the Insert Image Box button. When enabled, you can adjust the line type, color, fill color, and position. Position the mouse over the image box. The first 4 buttons work with Capture. Click the Select Image button. Select the desired image data and click the OK button to insert it. Right-click the box of the image you want to adjust. In the context menu, click Property. You can adjust the settings of the image box. Select Scale 1:1 and save. The image is enlarged to a 1:1 scale. Right-click the box of the image you want to adjust. Click the Edit Image button in the context menu. Click the empty space to exit edit mode. In the Control panel, click Insert Dental Chart. Click the tooth number and area you want to chart, then click OK. The dental chart is inserted. Select the dental chart to resize and reposition it. How to manipulate text boxes. In the Control panel, select the Insert Text Box button. When enabled, you can make adjustments to the text box. Double-click the inserted box to activate it and enter your text. Select the text box you want to adjust. The options to adjust the text box will be enabled, including font type, size, line spacing, and bullets. Font color, highlight color, bold, underline, italic, and strikeout. Increase/decrease indentation and text alignment options. For additional education modules, please visit the Education Academy under the Education tab.